Welcome to world 4.59. There's Yume Nikki over there. Is this someone's like stimming world? What is this? Wow. I kind of have like a cart ride game like this. But it's in a create a cart ride. It's Acoustic Critter that I made with one of my friends. Bigfoot? Sure is Bigfoot. Evil. So look at this dark shark. Okay. Fish Oni. What sound does the Bigfoot make? The last sound. Okay, I thought since they all made different sounds, they'd all make different sounds if I got killed by them. What else is there here? I don't want to go down there yet. Before, after. Okay. Do you have ID? Oh, do you have ID? If you don't, leave. I have ID. I have an idea, and it's called E-Dance 2. Oh. How about my character ID? Will this get me doxxed? If I... What if I say this in chat? Alright, I think I'm just needing to find something to give that guy. Okay. Room of waiting. This is the waiting room. What does that mean? That's just the text base, don't worry about it, I think. What else does figure have to say to me? Is waiting a misspelling? Yeah. I don't like that he has double text box. What am I waiting for? I think the creator otherwise is just as clueless as you are. Fair. What do you do in this game? Brother, do you think I know the point of this hellscape? No. Oh god, my hands are so itchy. What happened to me, dude? I'm dying. I'm like actually dying. Emotionally and physically. What is this? Hello, bunny. Benui. What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing. Uh, oh. Okay, I'm guessing there's no way out of here. Once you're down here with Benui, you're always going to be down here with Benui. What are the point of these things? Are those just like shelves? I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Interesting. Okay, what's the point of coming up here? Oh no, Al-Oni is here. Guys, oh. Frog killed me. Oh god, I have to hurry before Al-Oni finds me. Oh, oh, basketball hoop? Okay, well I'm not going in there just yet. Should I go to heaven? I'm gonna go to heaven. Okay, heaven does not... Whoa. Okay, heaven does not like me. Well, I should have expected this. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Okay, we're not going up there. What is going on over here? Step here to... Okay. Oh my god. Oni. I'm going up here. What the fuck was that? Who is in my walls right now? I'm hearing like banging coming from over here and it's literally just a wall. Like on the outside of this wall, there's literally just the world. How long am I gonna be climbing up here? Not too much longer. Actually, being honest, it looks like it's gonna be taking a while. How long does this go on for? There was actually nothing. Yay! Going in here. Whoa. SpongeBob. Smiling man. Oh my god. There's very clearly a creature on the other end of this. I was right, I probably shouldn't have entered here. What the... What? Okay. What is this? Mouth wall. There's something on the other side. How do I get in there? Oh. SpongeBob. What does it mean? I don't know. Same. I don't think anything here has any meaning, to be entirely honest. I think it's just here. This is the deepest layer of purgatory. I'm not believing you. You don't have to, but the pie is truth. Oh, it's like one of those, whatever they're called, games, where everything is like drawn in MS Paint. Whoa, that's weird. Wait, what? How did you get a double-sided mirror? How do you do that? Melvin discovered as domestic long-haired kitten with ungroomed fur. That was a nice little detour. Let's go to the flunker room. What the shit? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, they hurt. Oh no. Go. Okay. Lego Kid! Okay, it's actually been... Lego Kid is kind of a legend for me. Because, like, on one of my old videos, I think the olden days of Roblox is what it was. There's a part where, me and, Levi, who is, the person I played with in that video, we found, like, a little NPC named Lego Kid, and he pushed him off and, like, killed himself while doing it. and I said him and Lego Kid deserved it. It's been whoa. Holy shit. Who did this? Did Lego Kid do this? What's in the lunchroom? Please take one fruit. Choose wisely. I'm trying. Whatever. I'm good. I don't want any fruit. Okay, I already saw all that going in here. E-Dance 2 is now illegal. Yes, the... Oh my god. The silly banjo. What is the point of this room? Okay, the unfolded model of the banjo. Oh, that's a little deceiving. He ate 71 pounds of sand and died. No. I have S. That was something, alright. I loved that. Whoa, 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 whoa. I just now saw that secret path. God, I'm lucky I looked over here. Look. What is in that Yume Nikki character's eyes? But that's just a close-up of my eyes? That's exactly right, Peach. Cause I can find myself getting lost in them. No one knows what that's from. Oh cool, I can go inside of the Yume Nikki character's skull. And it's nothing but subway and trolling. Oh, this is the thing that's been making all that noise. Okay. We got sense so far, we are now in the negative zones. Out, 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 okay. Can I eat this? SpongeBob. Okay, you're welcome. Let's see what this thing is. Aircraft. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, you click to fly. Whoa. We're going fast. That was fun. One thing that we haven't seen are these guys. What are they? What do they want? Hello? A worm apple? Salamanca bear? Hector Salamanca. Excuse me, sir. I think he's dead. Yeah! First try. That was actually really cool. There was a lot of different things that you could see.
Man, I love Jesus.